In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if your speakers are not working or delivering output sound on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you're using external speakers, make sure they're turned on and turned up. And then if you're still having a problem, open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And underneath get up and running, you want to select where it says playing audio and then run that troubleshooter here. And then just follow along with the on-screen steps and then hopefully it would be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.